What's up today, everybody? This right here is the chainsaw I've been telling y'all about. It is dirty, it's been in the barn, but it is, if y'all can see, MS-251C. What does that mean? Well, you can see it's still fairly brand new. I've only used it 2 or 3 times. You got your primer there, easy chain tensioner, your bare basics, you know, easy where you ain't got to have the screwdriver piece to fit in that. But all in all, the C is for how easy it is to crank up. And as y'all can see, my hand is on the muffler. It is hot, not hot, it's, you know, not even lukewarm, it's very cold. It's 40 something degrees here in Florida today. But let me see what I can do. Prime him up, get him ready, and see how easy. See if we can't do it again, an easy pull. And that is that. That's a pretty hard piece. 10 inches thick. But like I say, this is the one I was showing you guys or telling y'all about, and I showed you. And you know, here's the number again. So if y'all will, please smash that like, share, comment, subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching and have a great day.